I'm Jan Connelly. I'm the Director of Development at the Arc of Monmouth. And we were lucky enough to get a grant for audiovisual equipment at our offices. And we were looking around for some providers, and we decided to check out people that had done good business in the past. So we decided to check out CSAV. They had worked on a lot of programs with Meridian, so I knew that they were very good and good at what they did. I gave them a call, asked them to put in a bid, and the bid came in so much under than the bids that we had gotten from other places, and the service was wonderful. We worked with Chelsea. She knew that we were working under a budget, and she was able to work out a really good package for us that was both affordable and provided all of our needs. And then when the implementation was done, it was fantastic. We worked with Nelson. He came in, the team came in on time. It was done in time, actually. It was done a few days ahead of time. They had asked us to block out 3 days. It was actually done in a day and a half, and we couldn't be happier. Our participants in our programs are going to be absolutely thrilled. We now have a state-of-the-art viewing and theater room, and our boardroom can now do wonderful PowerPoint presentations, and we have just been catapulted into the 21st century. We've got movie nights, we've got blockbuster nights. We were using a screen that was probably 20 years old and projectors that were casting green lights on some of the people in the movies. We really needed to be upgraded, and CSAV took us from that into, we now have, for our participants, we've got a place where it's actually like being in a surround sound movie theater, which makes a world of difference. I would very much recommend CSAV. They were absolutely wonderful to work with, very responsive, and we've been delighted.